Welcome to our financial results analysis of Swaraj Engines Limited for the fourth quarter and full financial year ended March 31st, 2026. The board has recommended a massive equity dividend of 1100%, which is 110 rupees per share, for FY26. The record date for this dividend is fixed as July 3rd, 2026. Total income for the quarter stood at 549.48 crore rupees, up 19.76% year-over-year. Revenue from operations contributed 545.79 crore rupees, showing a healthy 15.21% growth on a sequential basis. Total expenses rose to 476.29 crore rupees. The cost of materials consumed, including inventory changes, was 425.94 crore rupees, while employee benefit expenses were controlled at 11.74 crore rupees. The calculated operating EBITDA for the quarter is approximately 78.70 crore rupees, representing an EBITDA margin of 14.42%, a slight improvement over the previous year's margin. For the full year, the company reported an exceptional item of 3.40 crore rupees, which was accounted for in the annual profit before tax calculation. Profit before tax reached 73.19 crore rupees for the quarter, reflecting a strong sequential jump of 29.61% and a yearly increase of 19.55%. Net profit for the period was 54.56 crore rupees, up 20.12% year-over-year. This results in a healthy PAT margin of 10% for the quarter. In summary, Swaraj Engines Limited delivered a strong quarterly performance with healthy growth in revenue, profitability, and margins. The company also rewarded shareholders with a significant dividend, reflecting confidence in its financial position. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.